Welcome back, fellow internet enthusiasts. In today's video, we are going to explore the top 5 ways to make money online with Google without even working. Yes, you heard it right. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive into the world of passive income. Number 1 on our list is Google AdSense. This advertising program allows you to monetize your website or blog by displaying relevant ads. Google matches the ads to your content, and every time a visitor clicks on those ads, you earn money. Simply create quality content, attract traffic, and let Google handle the rest. Moving on to number 2, we have YouTube partnership. If you have a knack for creating videos, starting a YouTube channel can be a fantastic way to make passive income. As your channel grows and meets certain requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Once approved, you'll earn money through advertisements displayed on your videos. So, grab your camera and start sharing your passions. Our next method is Google Opinion Rewards. This is an app available for both Android and iOS devices. Google Opinion Rewards pays you for sharing your opinions and completing surveys. It's a straightforward way to earn some extra cash without investing much time or effort. Next up, we have Google Play Store. If you are a creative individual who loves building apps or developing games, you can publish them on the Google Play Store. Once your app gains traction and generates revenue, Google takes care of the payment process and you earn money passively. So, put your coding skills to work and let the downloads roll in. Last but not least, we have Google Affiliate Marketing. This method involves promoting products or services through affiliate links. Google offers various affiliate programs, such as Google AdSense, Google Workspace, and Google Cloud, among others. By driving traffic to these products or services and generating sales, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation for you and the companies you're promoting. And there you have it, the top 5 ways to make money online with Google without even working. Remember, while these methods can provide passive income, they still require initial effort and dedication to succeed. So, choose the method that suits your skills and interests the best, and start your journey towards financial independence. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications, so you never miss any of our future money-making tips. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the digital realm. Happy earning!